Some people were asking, how do I know when I download something through the command line with Termux? How do I know where the file is being stored? So here in this case, if you have Termux, you can see writing pwd, and you will see it's here. Now, if you use a file explorer and you try to go to data, you will get a prompt like this saying that basically, in order to access those protected folders, you need to have a rooted phone. That's like a whole nother rabbit hole. So the simplest workaround through this is that, for example, here you change the directory where you're working. So for example, here in my case, I have an SD card and I've created a folder called F-Droid downloads. And now I'm here. You can see it on the left. If you write pwd, you will see it again. That's the folder where you are. And then you would have curl. So for example, here I'm going to download a free image with curl. And now I'm going to go to that folder. Open the Explorer. Go back. It's typically in SD card. F-Droid downloads, and here you have the flower. Okay, so if you don't have an SD card, it's going to be in the storage folder. Inside of this, it's going to be some code here, which represents your phone. And then inside of this, you would have a bunch of folders. And pick, for example, if you don't have an SD card, you can write it in the internal storage, which would be /storage/ some code that represents your phone. And then I created a folder called F-Droid downloads, or you can use the already existing downloads. So again, for that, you just change directory, be storage, phone with the code. And then in my case would be F-Droid downloads. Or if you don't want to create a separate one, just downloads. But the whole point of this is that you always do pwd, which tells you where you are. If it's rooted, it doesn't matter. You can get it wherever you want. If you have not rooted your phone, which is standard, you can save it into your SD card, for example, a place like this, or you can put it on the storage inside your phone, whichever folder you want. So you first change the directory, then execute the command line, and that's it. All right, hope that was clear. Take care. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.